In a poignant display of solidarity, the Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians observed a minute of silence before their IPL 2025 match at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. This tribute honored the victims of the recent terror attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir, which claimed at least 26 lives and injured several others. The TRF, a faction of the banned Lashkar-e-Taiba group, has claimed responsibility for the attack, which specifically targeted Hindu tourists in the Basaram Valley. In addition to the moment of silence, players and umpires wore black armbands to mourn the loss. The usual post-match fireworks and cheerleader performances were also omitted as a mark of respect. A message displayed at the stadium read, "Let's all stand for peace and humanity," underscoring the collective call for unity and peace. Both teams set aside their competitive spirit to honor the victims and express their condolences. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, supported these gestures, reaffirming its commitment to standing in solidarity with the victims and their families. This somber occasion highlighted the power of sport to unite and offer support in times of tragedy. Rahul Dravid, head coach of the Rajasthan Royals, has highlighted a significant shift in the dynamics of the Indian Premier League, IPL, particularly concerning the traditional home advantage. Reflecting on the evolution of the tournament, Dravid noted that the influx of international players into the IPL has led to a more level playing field, diminishing the edge that home teams once held. He emphasized that foreign players now spend extended periods in India, acclimating to local conditions, which has lessened the impact of home ground familiarity. Dravid's comments underscore a broader trend where the IPL has become a melting pot of global talent, with players from various countries gaining experience in Indian conditions. This exposure has contributed to a more competitive and unpredictable league, where the advantage of playing at home is no longer as pronounced as it once was. As the IPL continues to evolve, the traditional concept of home advantage is being redefined, with teams and players adapting to the increasingly international and competitive nature of the tournament. That wraps up today's CricTips Daily News, brought to you by WinWin. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your IPL and PSL updates, and check out the latest odds at crictips.com. I'm Anya, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.